This is Simon's S13 Nissan 180SX, which came into Enginetuner for an old-school tuning setup. This particular S13 was down on power and had the wrong fuel mixture. With the lack of a mappable ECU, we had to resort to the good old days by making the necessary adjustments through adding bolt-ons. To set the mixture, we installed an adjustable fuel pressure regulator, and to adjust the boost, a good old-fashioned GFB boostee. Once the hardware was installed by our technicians, the car was handed over to Martyn to do what he does best. Martyn was tasked with setting the car up on the dyno by ensuring the boost and fueling were on point, alongside setting the ignition timing the good old-fashioned way. Let's see how we got on.